Is digital art good for bird illustrations? When thinking about bird illustrations, have you ever wondered if digital art is a good choice? Let's break it down. Digital art has become a popular medium for many artists, especially when it comes to capturing the beauty of birds. One of the main advantages is flexibility. Artists can easily make changes, whether it's adjusting colors or correcting mistakes. This is not always possible with traditional media. Another benefit is precision. Digital tools allow for incredibly detailed images of birds. Artists can create lifelike representations that showcase the unique features of different species. This is particularly important for birding art and illustration books, where accuracy is key. Digital illustration hardware, like graphic tablets and styluses, offers fine control. This means artists can mimic traditional drawing techniques while enjoying the ease of editing. Software programs provide features such as layering and blending. These help in building depth and texture, making the illustrations more realistic. From the perspective of bird behavior and ecology, digital art can effectively depict various bird activities. Whether it is feeding, flying, or nesting, these illustrations help us understand birds better. They can also be shared widely online, reaching a larger audience. This is great for raising awareness about bird conservation. In the context of reading birding literature, digital art complements educational resources. Clear visuals can support learning and engagement. They illustrate subtle features that are important for species identification. This is essential for both amateur birdwatchers and professional ornithologists. Digital art combines artistic expression with scientific accuracy. It provides broad accessibility, making bird illustrations available to more people. This is beneficial for anyone interested in bird behavior and ecology. In summary, digital art is a strong choice for bird illustrations. It offers flexibility, precision, and the ability to create detailed images. This makes it a fantastic medium for both artistic and educational purposes. So, if you are considering bird illustrations, digital art is definitely worth exploring.